Tonight, your heart may be tired, broken not by one event, but by 1,000 small hurts that piled up over time. You've smiled through the pain, so no one would worry. You've said, "I'm fine," when you were anything but fine. You gave someone your trust and they didn't protect it. You showed love and got silence instead. You poured your heart out, and now it feels empty. There are wounds on the inside that people can't see. But Jesus does, he sees. Every tear you wiped before anyone noticed. Every night you laid awake searching for peace. Every moment you pretended to be strong. You are not dramatic. You are not too emotional. You are not weak. You are hurt. And hurt deserves healing. I am close to the brokenhearted. Psalm 34:18, not to judge, not to rush your healing, but to hold you until your heart can beat without fear again. When someone breaks your heart, it can change the way you see everything. Trust feels risky. Hope feels dangerous. Love feels like a trap. You start to believe lies like, "No one stays. I'm not worth loving. I'll get hurt again." But hear this truth with all the tenderness your soul deserves. What someone damaged, God can restore. What someone walked away from, God still chooses. What someone couldn't value, God calls precious. Your heart is not broken beyond repair. It is wounded, yes, but in the hands of the healer. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. He does not hurry your healing. He does not shame your tears. He does not say, "Move on already." He sits with you in every ache until the ache becomes strength. There will come a day when you no longer flinch at memories, when the past no longer controls the present, when love no longer feels like danger. Not because the pain wasn't real, but because God's love is more powerful than anything that tried to destroy you. Forgiveness is not saying what they did was okay. It's saying they no longer get to control your heart. They may never apologize. They may never regret it. They may never change. But you can. Forgiveness is not weakness. Forgiveness is freedom, because holding on to pain does not punish the one who hurt you. It punishes you. Jesus understands betrayal. He was abandoned by his closest friends. He was rejected by the very people he came to save. He knows exactly how your heart feels. Still, he chose forgiveness, not because they deserved it, but because he refused to let darkness win. Father, forgive them. Forgiveness is simply opening your hands and saying, "This pain no longer owns me. This wound no longer defines me. God will deal with justice. God will deal with truth. Your only job is to heal. You don't have to pretend you're okay. God is not disappointed when you cry. He doesn't look away when you break. He comes closer when everyone else pulled back. Jesus stayed. He sits beside you in the silence, in the darkness, in the nights that feel too long. He doesn't rush you. He doesn't tell you to move on. He doesn't expect you to heal overnight. He simply says, "I'm not leaving." Sometimes, the greatest miracle is not the storm stopping. It's knowing you are not alone in it. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. Psalm 34:18, Jesus sees the pieces of your heart that no one else knows are shattered. He gently gathers them, one by one, like precious treasure. Nothing you lost is lost to him. Nothing broken is too broken for him. He will rebuild you stronger, softer, wiser, and full of a love that pain could not destroy. You don't have to keep holding what is hurting you. God never asked you to carry heartbreak alone. That ache in your chest, the weight behind your smile, the memories that ambush you when you're tired. He wants all of it. Love doesn't disappear when a person leaves, but Jesus can reshape that love into healing, place that heartbreak into his hands. The part of the story that doesn't make sense yet, the why, the what if, the was I not enough. Give him all of it. Come to me, and I will give you rest. God doesn't just heal your heart. He heals the way you see yourself. Breathe, and in this moment let go. Not because the pain is small, but because God is big enough to carry it. You are safe in his hands. He is not just mending your heart. He's making it new. Some days you'll feel stronger. Other days the ache returns. That doesn't mean you're going backward. It means you're human. God is not judging your pace. He walks beside you, one step at a time. Every tear, every prayer, every small moment you choose hope is a victory. No healing is wasted. No progress is too small. By his wounds we are healed. So be patient with your heart. God is not done with you. The same God who saw you break is the God who will see you fully restored. What happened to you does not define you. The rejection you faced does not decide your value. The person who walked away does not get the final word. You are not the heartbreak. You are the one who survived it. God sees strength in you, even on the days you feel weak. He calls you chosen, even when you feel forgotten. He calls you loved, even when love has hurt you. You are not too much, and you are not enough. You are precious in my sight, and I love you. God looks at you with joy, not disappointment, not frustration, just love. Tonight, let your heart rest. Let the past loosen its grip. Let God hold what hurts. You are not alone in this journey. The God who created stars is gently healing you. May his peace calm your mind. May his love quiet your fears. May his arms be the place where your heart feels safe again. God is not just restoring your heart. He is restoring your hope.